What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sharina. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Today we are making $10 Sesame Street themed Easter baskets. Everything you need is in a Dollar Tree, starting out with the beach buckets. I got a red, a green, and a blue for Elmo, the Cookie Monster, and the Grouch. They also had Sesame Street themed Easter eggs along with matching beach balls. Again, everything is in a Dollar Tree for $1.25. I also came across these Sesame Street character toys. So I got Elmo, Cookie Monster, and a Grouch as well. You will also need some sticker letters. I thought these cookie themed sticker letters would be perfect for the Cookie Monster. I got some black ones and also different color sticker letters. Starting out with my buckets, I stuffed the bottom with some tissue paper just to take up space. And then I went back in and added some Easter grass. Now for Elmo and Oscar and the Cookie Monster, I kind of tried to make sure the grass matched the theme. So I went with yellow for Elmo, of course, blue for the Cookie Monster, and green for Oscar the Grouch. But you will not need the whole bag of Easter grass. Easter grass is a pain in my you-know-what to work with. I absolutely hate working with Easter grass. There's two things I hate working with is Easter grass and glitter. But again, you will not need to fill your bucket up with the Easter grass. You only need a little bit because you want your toys and your candy to sit down in the bucket. You don't want your toys and your candy to kind of stand out, like hang outside the bucket. You want it to all fall down in the bucket. So you won't need the entire bag of Easter grass because you stuffed it with tissue paper, if you understand what I'm saying. But again, you can use whatever color Easter grass you like. I tried to make sure my Easter grass kind of matched the overall bucket. I couldn't find any red Easter grass for the Elmo bucket, so that's why I used yellow, because the little shovel is yellow. But I found blue Easter grass and green Easter grass. I got the Easter grass out of the Dollar Tree for $1.25. After you finish filling your buckets with a little bit of Easter grass, then you can go in and add your candy and your toys. I got the candy from the Dollar Tree as well. Each bucket, again, is less than $10 to make, but I made 3. So you want to go in and add your toys. Remove the $1.25 sticker off your toys because you're making an Easter basket. Leaving the price on it is tacky in my opinion, but you do whatever you please. But again, I'm adding some gummy candy and some chocolate candy Reese's into my buckets along with my toy. Again, my candy is from the Dollar Tree, so I'm putting in Easter gummy eggs, some chocolate eggs, and then the little toy that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm kind of all over the place with this because I probably should have put the sticker letters and the kids' names on front of the bucket before I added everything in it. But, you know, we're going to make it work. Use the sticker letters to put the kids' name on the front of the buckets. And then you want to go in with your Easter eggs, your matching Easter eggs. Again, I probably should have put the names on the buckets before I added everything in because it was kind of hard putting the name on the buckets with the buckets being full already. But anyway, you go in and add your eggs and then just lay out everything on the inside nice and neat. And here's what the inside of the buckets look like. You got 2 different types of candy, a matching toy, and a matching Easter egg. All right, next, your beach balls. You want to blow those up. The beach balls are actually really big. They're bigger than I thought. But this is a close-up of the cookie letters because I don't think I showed y'all. But anyway, take you some balloon ribbon. Make sure it's long enough to go over the top of the bucket and the beach ball. You want to be able to make like a bow at the top, like a small bow with your balloon ribbon. And then I'm going to curl the ends with my scissors, of course. So I have a lot of ribbon left over, so I'm just going to trim the ends, and then I'm going to use my scissors to kind of curl the ends up so it's not so, I guess, plain looking. Curling the ends kind of gives it a little razzle-dazzle, you know what I mean? And then you're done. It's simple, quick, easy, under $10 for each one. I think they turned out nice. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. This has to be the cutest, easiest Easter basket you will ever make. But that's it, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what y'all think in the comments. Bye.